In this video, I am going to show you the object effect technique. In here, I am going to use a nearby wooden post to draw the viewer's attention. The post will also serve as a local reference for the viewers to see, while I pan the camera around to show the scenery. As long as the post is in the frame, it will create a contrasting effect with the general surroundings, which makes the footage more cinematic. In addition, this local object is going to make the viewers feel that they are in the video, and not a mere spectator from a distance. If I just pan the camera around with no local reference, the scenery will still be okay, but it will become bland over time and makes the viewer feel that they have seen enough and leave. Our objective, on the other hand, as a content creator, is to make the video as interesting as possible, so the viewers will stay longer, and possibly, even finish the video. In this example, I used a wooden post as my local object reference. But you can use anything as long as you can go around it with your camera.